Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 23rd, 2022. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu today. I mean, the market has exploded the last couple of days, and I want to come through and show you all what do I think now about Shiba Inu. Because I did a price prediction on May the 31st. I was looking for the price to go up then, and it didn't happen. Yeah, the market went down instead. So let's try to come in today and speak about it, and let's see what is going to be the next move in Shiba Inu. What will be my newest price target for this particular cryptocurrency. Now, before I get started, everyone, welcome to my channel, especially if you're new. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I want to provide you all information and content that is beneficial. I'm not here just to hype you all up to show you that everything's going to shoot up to the moon and we all will be driving Lambos. That is ridiculous, because all of the videos that has happened to this point, speaking on Shiba Inu and how everyone's going to be multi-billionaires, did not come to pass. Shiba Inu has been going down in price instead. Look at that. As so many other YouTubers, influencers have been pumping this cryptocurrency, the market has gone down instead. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Now, let's go ahead and speak on what happened into the price of Shiba Inu following my last video, because I also want to be forthwith and honest with everyone. When I get my price prediction correct, I'll show you. When I get them wrong, I'll also show you that as well. Now, I was playing to strength into the market in Shiba Inu mainly because, the market in Shiba Inu determined that it wanted to hold and support price right here around 100 thousandths of a penny. Right there. Okay. Now, the moment that the price in Shiba Inu broke that level, which was on June the 10th, that was your clue to let the play go. Because the market weakness in Shiba Inu has broken where the buyers was holding the line. They broke it. The sellers did. And then the market in Shiba Inu came all the way down here to like lower than 100 thousandths of a penny. This is ridiculous that we're actually doing numerical numbers less than a penny for this cryptocurrency. Like, do we not understand that this particular market in Shiba Inu is almost at zero? That Elon Musk, one of the richest people in the world, was promoting this cryptocurrency not long ago, and it almost came to zero. So yeah, this particular price prediction didn't go right. Okay, but that was the learning lesson for us in the event for us to know when we need to let players go, because if we didn't cut it here on June the 10th, which would have been 15.5%, market went all the way down here on June 18th, that would have been a loss of around 40%. Okay. Now, obviously, the market price in Shiba Inu came back up to this prior area of support, which is now acting as restriction. Okay. So if we were to get out the market now, we'll still be down 15%. We'll take that too. But yeah, I don't like that price prediction that I conducted on May the 31st. All right, so let's get rid of it. Now, obviously, this cryptocurrency got a lot of hype right here. Okay. It was able to bring in some volume, a lot of volume. And you guys can see that it was able to bring the price back up above that 100 thousandths of a penny level. All right. So now maybe we may see once again the market price in Shiba Inu hold this area as support. So I'm going to extend this out to the right a little bit further. Okay. So we can keep watch to see if the buyers are going to come in again to support the price right there at 100 thousandths of a penny. Okay, right there. Now, so far, that is being revealed that the buyers are willing to hold Shiba Inu's price there. So far, this is Shiba Inu on a 2-day time frame. Is now the time to come to the market and participate in Shiba Inu, or should we wait? Because obviously, Shiba Inu is in a massive downturn. Okay, so even if we were to see the market in Shiba Inu go up, right? Even if we were to see that, this is an opportunity for you to sell it the higher we go. Okay, this is not the opportunity to become more bullish and expect Shiba Inu to hit 1 penny. Like, we got to let that go. If the market in Shiba Inu even moves up to 1,500 thousandths of a penny, we need to sell it there. Like, let's not become greedy. Let's just take what the profitability the market is offering. So let's go ahead and let me show you all the 3-day time frame. Okay, because I'm not going to be tricked. I don't want to be tricked. I don't want us to be fooled into thinking that this is now the opportunity to hop on board. Just because we see the volume increase the last couple of trading days, just because the market in Shiba Inu has moved higher 25-26%, doesn't mean that that's a signal for us to automatically get in and participate in the supposed move higher. It doesn't mean that. And actually what I'm seeing here on the chart in Shiba Inu is possibly for us to wait. We haven't really got the confirmation that the buyers want to continue to lift the price in Shiba Inu. We just don't see that. Not yet. Okay. Let me see what's going on the hourly time frame. Okay, because we can see a lot here on the hourly perspective. Because when the market in Shiba Inu broke out and went higher, right here on these 15-hour price bars, we want to see the market stay elevated. We want to see it hold ground. We want to see the market continue to hold this price. Because if it continues to move like this, then yes, the market is going to go up, right? But if we begin to see the market in Shiba Inu get weaker and continue to go down, then we know that all of this volume that came in on these 3 15-hour price bars was selling. That's how you're able to determine what's going on in this space. Look at this on the 7-hour chart. Okay. Because there's still selling coming into the market in Shiba Inu right here. Still a lot of selling coming in. Now the market is still there supporting it. People are still coming in buying Shiba Inu, which kind of gives us an indication, at least on a very short window, we might have a small window of opportunity to see Shiba Inu continue to move higher. Okay, because look at this on the 3-hour chart. So we're still in an uptrend. Okay, that's great. The market is even able to trade higher above the overall short-term intraday uptrend. That's great. That's very positive to see. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play the strength into the market just like I did in my last video. I do suspect that the price in Shiba Inu is still geared to go higher. We just got this one hurdle right there around 100,000ths of a penny for us to move higher. Okay. Now, we've already seen on that massive explosion in Shiba Inu that the market restriction came in around 1,200,000ths of a penny. That's restriction. Okay. I wouldn't even be surprised if the market even gets rejected a little bit lower than that 1,200,000ths of a penny on this next leg higher. Okay. So let me switch this back over to the daily. Okay. And what we're going to do, we are going to play the strength into the market in Shiba Inu. Now, this is not long term. Okay. I'm going to be real. We're not here to hold this into the next 5,000 years. The market is still in a massive downturn in Shiba Inu. So let's keep it a buck. Any bouts of movement to the upside you want to consider, do I need to let the play go? So this is where I'm at. My first price target is not going to be much. Okay, it's going to be around 1,050, 100,000ths of a penny. Right there. It's only like 3%. Okay, that's my first area. I'm not going to be one of those. I'm not trying to be greedy. I understand that we're in a downtrend in Shiba Inu and that the previous price bars signify that there was some selling going on. That's my first area. My next one is around 1,100,000ths of a penny. 1,100,000ths of a penny, which is around 7.67%. Okay. And then my third one is back to where that last area got rejected on June the 21st. Okay, which is around 1,200,000ths of a penny. And that's about it. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to bring down my support area around this 850,000ths, 100,000ths of a penny for support. Okay, now let me show you all this before I let you all go. This is Shiba Inu on the long term. Okay, and look at this. That is not bullish. Okay, the 3 months chart is showing us that this currency is not bullish. It's not strong. You should not be looking at buying this currency yet. We haven't found the bottom when you look at this from a 3 months perspective. Look at this on a 6 months. Because we got 7 days and 13 hours left before these price bars conclude from 3 months and 6 months. Look at the 6 months chart. Look at this one. All of this signifies that this market in Shiba Inu is not a buy. Not yet. So don't feel like you need to be rushed and coming in and buying this currency yet. Now you guys can see we might find support down here. Okay. Let's see what goes on. All right, so I'm here. This is it on the daily time frame. Again, it's only a very short time frame that I'm looking for this to play out. Not going to be massively bullish. I'm not looking for it to hit a penny. Nothing of that sort. But hey, you do you. So let me know what you all think. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.